Okay guys, I am very sorry this week that I did not get to doing too many videos. I did release 2 of my journals that I made a while back, and they weren't on Etsy before, but I think one of them I put up on Facebook for a little bit and then I took it down. And the other one was a micro mini that was a companion to my Paris one, and Miss Debbie snagged those up super fast. Oh, that's battery. That goes with this new fangled setup. So this weekend is open house for Joann's. If any of you live in the local area of Tucson, stop by the Broadway branch to sign up for junk journal classes. I will be offering them. So far I got 3 people that want to do the classes, possibly 4. So if you want to get in on it, now's the time. You can get a discount for the 3-part class. You'll get a discount on one of them, and the rest of them are all discounted up to 50% off. So I also wanted to show you while I was there, they had some really great sales going on. So here's some of the goodies I got. So they had all their jewelry charms for buy one get 2 free. So you know I had to jump on those. I love these. There was quite a few of them, so I got 3 of them for journals. And of course there were some flowers. I found some paper flowers in the clearance section the other day as well, so I added them. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm tired. I added them to my paper bin, my big bundle of paper bins. And then, of course, we got all of these lovely beauties going on. I have some really awesome ideas for these. I hope you guys are completely in love with them. I mean, they're so sparkly and beautiful. There's the ice cream truck coming by. And there's those pretties. I mean, so gorgeous. So beautiful. And then we got some Tim Holtz assemblage going on here. I thought this piece was magnificent. It would go really great with a spring edition journal. I'm like prepping my voice to raise my voice to talk to you guys, and then I stop and I'm looking down and I can see my little microphone. I'm like, oh yeah, I don't have to speak really loud anymore. So alrighty, that's all of them. So I got all of these pieces. They were buy one get 2 free on all of them. I'm not sure how much longer it's going to last today. I just rubbed off some of my makeup. Gotta go wash my face. Oh. But I know this sale will last today. I'm not sure if this specific one rolls in tomorrow. I know they switched up a lot of them. Like some of the stuff you can get today for really great deals, you can't get tomorrow. So if you really want to get the buy one get 2 free, I would suggest running down there this evening. It's Arizona. Here in Arizona, they're still open. Well, I hate to say it, but by the time I upload this video, they're probably going to be closed. But sorry about that. But I hope you all get the chance to go down there and get some of these pretties, because look at all these. And then they had some of these like scrap pieces that were in the upholstery section. So I grabbed 2 of them because I thought they were just really gorgeous. And I got one of these rolly things because I want to start playing with the jelly palettes. I've never really done them before. I gotta look up some tutorials. Not really some tutorials, but what kind of inks or what kind of like liquid type colors, whether it's paint or ink or any of that other stuff, that you would generally use on them. So that way I kind of know. And I want to go into it blind. That way, there's one technique I do want to try though that I did see, and it's using magazine pages. But for the most part, I would like to try going in blind and seeing what I can create before I start going around and really researching into the videos and what's going on with this new jelly palette thing going on. well, new to me. Some of you guys are probably like, I've been doing it for years. So, and of course I seen these beautiful butterflies and I had to grab them. I was thinking of Mirror Me Small Art when I seen them. But yeah, all of these lovely beauties here. This is what I got. And then I also got this wonderful punch. It was on clearance. And the reason why I grabbed this one is because when I mail out from my Etsy shop, I decided I'm going to start putting tags on my little thing. Because I usually put in like a Paris note paper piece and I'll write my message to whoever the seller is about whatever. And I think this would be a little bit prettier. And if they want to put it in one of their journals, they can. I can do my little iconic Eiffel Tower on the front and flip it over and write my message to them on the back. And then excuse me. And then if I want to go ahead and add an extended message, then I'll grab my little Eiffel Tower notepad and give them an extended message. So this was just the stuff I got at Joann's. I want to show you, so this bin, this is only a percentage of what I got this last week. And let me pull out one of my favorites here. You guys are just going to be in so much love right now. I am not kidding. You can hear the crunchiness of these beauties. So there's a couple. I mean, they're really good ones, but like this one. Okay, this one's one of my favorites. Oh, look at that, guys. So I went through and I hacked them up. I know you're all like, no. So I emptied out all the stuff out of them, and they're in another bin. This one was missing when I emptied it. And I just cut up the sides. And these are going to be the covers for, some of them I'll turn into covers for Midori's. Some of them I'll be turning into journals. Oh, yeah, I'm exhausted, guys. It was a busy day. And tomorrow's even busier. Tomorrow I have, well, here, I'll go ahead. Uh-oh, Lexi found Mr. Noodles lamb chop that I call Mr. Noodles because he's got noodle legs. The one that I showed you guys in one of my other videos where she ripped the ear off and it's hanging by like a string. And I gotta stitch it back on, and it must have fallen down because she got a hold of it and she's chewing on Mr. Noodles. So tomorrow I have to, I got so much going on tomorrow. First thing in the morning I gotta go to Friends of the Public library, and I got to meet up with a friend there and do some stuff there. And then I have to go down and pick up some inventory for the business. And then after that, I have to go to the chiropractor, which is at 10 in the morning. So you can already imagine I'm not a morning person. So it's not going to make me very happy to have to get up that early. But it has to be done. So I'm going to do my best to get my patootie up early. Get down there and do it. And then after that, at 11, I have to make it back down to open house at Joann's. And after open house, I have to go down and get my taxes done. So I have a very busy day tomorrow. So I will try to get this video uploaded for you guys. It will be today on Monday. So you can see all the wonderful beauties I got going on here. And I hope to see you soon. I have some really great ideas for these. So I think I will do a tutorial on this. This is going to be one of those, let's see if it works, whether it's a pass or a fail, because I have a really cool idea. And it'll be kind of like a mixed media journal cover. So if you want to tune in for that one, I'd be excited to have you. So now I get to go disassemble all of these beauties off of their little packages here and put them away for my lovely future junk journals that you guys will hopefully love very much. I love the white one. I mean, it's like that opal, milky, beautiful color. I mean, all of these are so pretty. So I hope to see you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed all my goodies. Just so you know, when I went down to see the upholstery lady, I ended up with about, I think, 12 to 20 rolls of new fabrics, and it's like upholstery style fabrics, and some of it is really soft and really magnificent, and I have a lot, so I may end up cutting up some of it and sending it off in some of my kits. I may end up doing like little fabric bundles or something. If some of you guys are interested, message me when you see them. And you will definitely be seeing a lot of them in journals. I have a couple of new really great journal ideas that I will be incorporating them into. So until then, I have to stand up on my chair now to turn off my recording. I'm actually, my next thing I think is like a little like thing that gives me the option. Hey, a selfie stick button. That'll work. Something like a selfie stick button that I can press for stop and press for record. That way I don't gotta stand up on this chair. Oh, look, it's the other half. Alrighty, well, I will talk to you guys later. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.